What if stocks could change your life? Many beginners fear entering the stock market today. And investing is not gambling when you understand basics clearly. Stock market allows your money to grow steadily over time. Before investing, you must learn how stocks work first. Stocks represent ownership in real companies worldwide. Today market, every investor starts with small, cautious steps. Initially, always patience is key when building wealth through investing slowly. Market prices move up and down, daily constantly fluctuating. Successful investors focus on long-term growth strategies. Only emotions can ruin your investment decisions very quickly. Often research companies before buying any stock shares carefully. Always diversification helps reduce risk in your portfolio greatly, significantly. Never invest money you cannot afford, losing completely ever. Stock charts show trends that guide investor decisions. Clearly understanding risk tolerance is essential for beginners, always crucial. You should open a brokerage account before investing properly. Choose reliable platforms with low fees and charges wisely. And compound interest grows wealth over long investment periods significantly. Start investing early to benefit from time advantage powerfully. Even small investments can grow into large amounts eventually. Learn to read financial statements of companies properly, carefully. Avoid emotional buying during market hype situations. Always completely set clear financial goals before entering stock market carefully. Learn from experienced investors and their strategies daily, constantly. Avoid panic selling during temporary market downturns. Always completely stay consistent with your investment contributions monthly for better results. Market knowledge improves your chances of success greatly over time. Avoid investing based on rumors from others without research. Understand the difference between trading and investing clearly. First, stock market rewards patience and disciplined behavior consistently over time. Avoid chasing quick profits in volatile markets at all. Invest in companies you actually understand well before buying. Always keep learning about financial markets daily, every day. Risk management is essential for every investor long-term. Avoid investing money borrowed from unreliable sources ever again. Successful investing requires discipline and emotional control at all times. Study market trends before making investment decisions very carefully. Long-term investors usually outperform short-term traders significantly over time. Start with index funds for safer investment journey as beginner. Avoid putting all money in single stock, always for safety. Reinvest your dividends to maximize long-term growth, carefully done. Market crashes are opportunities for smart investors. Always remember this. Keep emotions separate from investment decisions. Always very important rule. Avoid listening to fear during market corrections at any time. Successful investors read news and analyze companies daily basis. Build wealth slowly instead of rushing investment decisions blindly. Always set stop loss to protect capital effectively. Always understand tax implications of your investments clearly before investing. Learn technical analysis for better entry timing. Carefully study practice with virtual trading before real investing for beginners. Never invest blindly without proper market research ever again. Keep a long-term vision for wealth building. Always focus ahead. Consistency in investing beats timing the market every single time. Start your investing journey today with confidence and discipline. Always. Let me take you into a beginner investor journey story. Imagine a student saving money from small part-time jobs. He decided to enter stock market with limited knowledge. At first, he felt confused by market fluctuations daily. He started reading about companies and their financial health. Slowly, he learned how stock prices actually move daily. His first investment was in a well-known company. He watched market every day, feeling both fear and excitement. Sometimes prices drop, and he panicked unnecessarily without reason. But he learned not to react emotionally anymore. Slowly, he discovered long-term investing gives more stable returns. Friends around him kept trading based on rumors daily. He avoided their mistakes by sticking to research always. Over time, his portfolio started growing slowly but steadily. He realized patience was his strongest investment weapon ever. Market crashes no longer scared him like before anymore. He began understanding patterns in stock market behavior clearly. His confidence grew as knowledge increased every single day. He stopped following random advice from social media influencers. Instead, he focused on verified financial information sources only. One day, market volatility caused sudden fear among investors. Many beginners sold stocks at wrong emotional timing points, but he stayed calm and trusted his research process. That decision saved him from huge, unnecessary financial loss. He realized emotional control is key to investing success. His journey showed investing is a discipline, not guessing. Slowly, he built a diversified portfolio portfolio across industries wisely. Technology stocks gave him strong growth in early years. Defensive stocks protected him during economic downturn periods too. He learned the importance of balancing risk and reward carefully. Every mistake became a lesson for better future decisions. He never stopped learning from market experiences and books. Eventually, his small investments turned into significant wealth over time. Friends who doubted him started asking for advice later. He remained humble despite financial success, growing steadily always. This story teaches beginners the power of discipline. Real investing is not about luck, but informed decisions only. Real investors think long-term instead of quick gains. Every market cycle brings new opportunities for learning growth. He understood wealth building requires patience and strategy time. Market knowledge became his strongest financial advantage over time. He always invested based on logic, not emotions ever. His journey proves anyone can start investing today successfully. Even small steps in investing lead to big outcomes. Fear was replaced by knowledge and confidence slowly over time. He never chased quick profits like most beginners do. Smart investing changed his entire financial future completely forever. He encourages every beginner to start learning now seriously. Consistency in investing builds unstoppable financial strength over time always. Every investor must learn before risking real money carefully. Stock market rewards those who stay patient, always truly. Beginners should focus on learning, not earning initially first. Wealth creation is a journey, not a race ever. Smart investors always stay calm during uncertainty in markets. Start your investing journey with courage and knowledge today. Now let's uncover something most beginner investors never realize early. The stock market is not truly about stocks alone. It is actually a game of human psychology and behavior. Most people lose money because they cannot control emotions. Fear and greed drive nearly every market movement daily. Even professional investors struggle with emotional decisions sometimes too. Here's the twist that changes everything about investing. And winning investors do not predict markets, they manage reactions. The real skill is staying calm during uncertainty always. Markets are designed to test your patience constantly over time. Every crash creates fear, but also hidden opportunities everywhere. Beginners see danger while experts see discounted value opportunities. Understanding this difference changes how you approach investing forever. Stock prices often fall without any real business problems. Emotional panic creates most unnecessary losses for beginners daily. Smart investors think independently instead of following crowds blindly. Herd mentality destroys wealth faster than bad investments sometimes. You must learn to think against market emotions sometimes. When everyone is buying, greed is usually at peak. When everyone is selling, fear dominates decision-making heavily. That is where true investment opportunities are found consistently. Another secret is that time matters more than timing. Long-term holding reduces risk significantly. In most cases, short-term trading increases stress and emotional pressure greatly. Many beginners confuse investing with gambling in markets wrongly. Real investing is based on business value, not speculation. Companies grow slowly but steadily over long periods naturally. Stock price follows business performance in the long run. That is why research matters more than luck ever. Another hidden truth is diversification protects against major losses. No single stock should control your entire financial future. Even strong companies can face unexpected downturns anytime suddenly. Risk management separates successful investors from emotional beginners clearly always. Financial education is more powerful than any market prediction. Knowledge reduces fear and increases confidence in investing decisions. Most people never take time to learn investing properly. They rely on tips instead of building real understanding. That is why most beginners fail in stock markets. Successful investors are lifelong learners in financial education always. Another mindset shift is treating money as working too. Money should work for you instead of you working endlessly. Investing creates passive income streams over long periods naturally. This is how financial freedom is gradually built over time. Small, consistent investments outperform large, random investments over years. Discipline beats intelligence when it comes to investing success. Even simple strategies work when applied consistently without emotion. The biggest enemy of investors is impatience and fear. Markets reward those who stay invested during uncertainty periods. Timing the market perfectly is nearly impossible for everyone, but staying invested consistently is completely achievable for beginners. Real wealth is built quietly over long periods always. Compounding becomes powerful when you stay invested long enough. Every year of patience multiplies your financial results significantly. Understanding this truth transforms your entire investing mindset completely. completely. Now you are closer to thinking like real investor. Now let's turn knowledge into a simple investing action plan. You are no longer just learning, you are building strategy. First step is opening a trusted brokerage account, carefully chosen. Choose a platform with low fees and strong reputation. Always verify platform security before depositing any real money. Next step is deciding your monthly investment budget wisely. Never invest money needed for essential daily expenses ever. Start small if you are completely new to investing. Even small amounts can grow significantly over long periods. Consistency matters more than the initial amount invested daily. Next, choose diversified investments instead of single risky stocks. Index funds are excellent starting point for beginners always. They spread risk across many companies automatically for safety. Learn basic stock research before buying any individual company. Check company revenue, profit, and long-term growth trends. Avoid companies you do not understand clearly at all. Simplicity is powerful when building your first investment portfolio. Next important step is setting clear long-term goals. Ask yourself why you are investing money today exactly. Goals help you stay focused during market volatility periods. Always think in years, not in days or weeks. Investing rewards patience more than constant buying and selling. Avoid checking your portfolio too frequently every single day. Emotional checking leads to unnecessary panic decisions, often quickly. Create a fixed monthly investing schedule and follow it. This strategy is called dollar cost averaging method widely. It reduces risk of investing at wrong market timing. Market will always rise and fall unpredictably over time. Your goal is to stay consistent regardless of conditions. Reinvest all dividends to maximize long-term compounding effect. Compounding works best when you stay invested continuously long-term. Avoid borrowing money for investing under any circumstances ever. Always keep emergency savings separate from investment capital funds. Never chase trending stocks without proper research and analysis. Hot tips often lead to emotional and poor decisions. Build habit of reading financial news regularly every week. Stay informed, but avoid overreacting to daily market news. Learn to ignore noise and focus on fundamentals only. Patience will become your most powerful investing skill eventually. Risk management should always be part of every decision. Never put all your money into one investment idea. Spread investments across different sectors for stability and balance. Technology, healthcare, and finance sectors provide good diversification options. Review your portfolio every few months, not daily basis. Adjust investments only when long-term goals change significantly. Avoid emotional selling during temporary market downturn periods. Always stay calm and trust your long-term investment strategy. Successful investing is simple but requires discipline and consistency. Stick to your plan even when markets feel uncertain. Remember that every expert investor once started as beginner. Small disciplined steps create large financial results over time. Your financial future depends on actions you take today. Investing is a long journey, not a quick shortcut. Follow your plan with patience and strong discipline. Always. Now you are ready to invest with confidence and clarity. Now everything you need to start investing is already in your hands. The only missing piece is your decision to begin today. Every successful investor once stood exactly where you are now, confused, uncertain, but willing to learn something new daily. The difference was they took action while others delayed. Time is the most powerful factor in building wealth slowly. Waiting too long is often more expensive than starting small. Even the smallest investment today can shape your future. You do not need perfection. You need consistent action. Markets will always rise and fall throughout your journey, but your discipline determines your long-term financial success. Fear will always try to stop you from starting, but knowledge gives you confidence to move forward wisely. Remember, investing is not about predicting future market movements. It is about owning great businesses for long periods. Every market cycle teaches you something valuable about patience. Losses are lessons if you stay calm and learn. Gains are rewards for staying disciplined and consistent always. The real goal is financial freedom, not quick money. Wealth is built quietly through repeated smart decisions daily. There is no secret formula, only proven simple principles. Start with what you have, not what you wish. Small steps today create massive results in future years. Do not compare your journey with experienced investors online. Focus on your own progress and learning every day. The stock market rewards long-term thinkers, not gamblers. Every expert was once a beginner making early mistakes. The key is not avoiding mistakes, but learning from them. Stay invested when others panic during uncertain market conditions. That is where real wealth creation opportunities exist quietly. Discipline will always outperform emotion in financial decisions. Your mindset is more important than your starting capital. Believe in long-term growth instead of short-term excitement. Financial independence is built one decision at a time. Every dollar invested is a step toward freedom. Consistency transforms small efforts into life-changing results. You are capable of building wealth if you stay committed. Do not let fear stop your financial journey anymore. The best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is right now today. Take action even if it feels uncomfortable at first. Growth always begins outside your comfort zone initially. Learn, apply, and stay patient throughout your journey. Let time and compounding work in your favor. Your future self will thank you for starting early. Every investor story begins with a single brave decision. You now have knowledge most beginners never take seriously. Use it wisely and build your financial future carefully. Stay disciplined, stay patient, and keep investing consistently always. Success in investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep learning and improving your financial understanding every day. Your journey to wealth starts with your first investment. Make that decision today with confidence and clarity. The future belongs to those who take action now. Start investing today and change your financial life forever.